Well, welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, World 100-meter champion Shelly-ann Fraser Pryce has been named as one of 5 finalists for the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year award. Fraser Pryce capped an outstanding 2022 with a 5th World 100-meter title after taking the event in Eugene, Oregon this summer. The Jamaican also secured the Diamond League 100-meter trophy, as well as running a record 7 times below 10.70 seconds for the season, including a world-leading 10.62 seconds. Fraser Pryce has been listed along with World 100-meter hurdles champion and record holder Toby Amerson of Nigeria, 400-meter hurdles record holder and champion Sidney McLaughlin of the United States, triple jump world champion Yulimar Rojas of Venezuela, and Peru's race walk world champion Kimberly Garcia. The World Athletes of the Year will be announced on World Athletics social media platforms in early December as part of the World Athletics Awards 2022. The Reggae Girls went down 2-1 to Paraguay in the second of their 2 friendly international series at the National Stadium last evening. Celsa Sandoval opened the scoring for Paraguay in the 16th minute. The South Americans doubled their advantage in minute 35 to go to the halftime break leading 2-0. Now, after missing several chances, the Jamaicans were rewarded in the 62nd minute when the referee awarded them a penalty following a handled ball in the box. Captain Khadija Bonnie Shaw converted from the spot to pull one back for the Reggae Girls. Head coach Lon Donaldson blamed a lack of energy for the team's defeat.
Started out very slow, I kind of saw it coming, so we weren't sharp in the warm-up, and it just shows in the first 15-20 minutes. But such is the game. We had to make some adjustment. Again, our camp is a little bit different from Paraguay. We're still looking at stuff. We're still looking at players. So obviously we want to win, but it's not going to be at all costs for this camp, because we have to give some players a look. So stuff is going to be off a little bit, and that was evident in the first 20 minutes, even though I saw it from the warm-up. So we went through the first half, and I didn't think we were at our best. Second half, we made some adjustment, and I thought we came out with a lot more energy.
Now, the Reggae Girls won the first friendly international 1-0 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex last Thursday. And Manchester United forward Cristiano Ronaldo says he feels betrayed by the club and does not respect manager Erik ten Hag and is being forced out. Ronaldo promised in August he would give his version of life at Old Trafford after failing to secure a move to a club playing in the Champions League. He has now spoken out in an interview with Piers Morgan for Talk TV.
They're trying to force you out.
Yes, not only the coach, but the other 2 or 3 guys there around the club.
At the senior executive level?
Yes, that I felt betrayed.
And you think they're trying to get rid of you?
Honestly, I shouldn't say that, I don't know, but listen, I don't care, people should listen the truth. Yes, I feel betrayed, and I felt that some people that don't want me here, not only this year, but last year too.
The interview will be shown over 2 nights in the UK on Wednesday and Thursday. In cricket, the Jamaica Scorpions face a must-win game against West Indies Academy if they are to advance to the semi-final of the Regional Super 50 Cup following the Barbados Pride's 5-wicket win over the Leeward Islands Hurricanes on Duckworth Lewis on Sunday night. The result now sees the Pride moving up to 2nd spot behind the Hurricanes, with both teams on 14 points while the Scorpions are on 12. Should the Scorpions get maximum points today, they will leapfrog both the Hurricanes and the Pride into 1st place and will play the Guyana Harpy Eagles in the semi-final round. Anything but a win will see the Andrew Richardson coached team eliminated from the competition. The first meeting between the Scorpions and the Windies Academy saw the Jamaican franchise losing by 12 runs in a low-scoring affair. Today's game is set to bowl off at 1 p.m. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Renato. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.